A warm greetings to one and all. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year as a tribute to the birthday of India's first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru loved two things far too dearly. One, red roses, and two, children. And it is the very reason why 14th November, which is his birthday, is celebrated as Children's Day. Known as Chacha Nehru among children, Nehru advocated for children to have all-rounded education that would build a better society in the future. Nehru considered children as the real strength of a nation and foundation of society. Very particular about the progress of Indian youth, and he was keen on enabling great and responsible citizens out of young boys and girls. He was a great leader with a vision, and he achieved far greater things in life because he was driven by his pure passion for doing remarkable things for young people. Children's Day is celebrated across India to increase awareness of the rights, care, and education of children. On this day, many educational and motivational programs are held across India for children. Pandit Nehru made best possible efforts to see through the positive changes that India needed to see in terms of the growth, nourishment, and development of the youth. Children's Day celebration is a call to everyone to protect their little ones from any harm and save their future for the bright future of the country. It is our responsibility to make sure that all children of India should get the access to modern education and aware of their rights to be educated. Because today's children are valuable asset and future of the country as well as hope of tomorrow. Children's Day celebration is a right step regarding their bright future. It must be remembered what Chacha Nehru said, the children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country. His words also remind us our responsibility towards the children. Here's to the perfect beginning of a new year. So accept the child in you and have a happy Children's Day. Thank you.